Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case on professional ethics. Of course, professional ethics normally we believe that they refer to advocates as far as we are concerned, but you know that the judiciary, in respect of bar and bench, judiciary, they also arise from the advocates fraternity only. The person who studied law will only be eligible to act as a justice or judge. So, when you become a judge, you must maintain the decency, decorum, and magnanimity expected to be of a judge. And as a judge, you should not indulge in immoral activities. As a common man, even though you involve in such activities and if you get caught, after all you will be released with a fine of some 500 or 1000 rupees. But as a judicial officer, it's very dangerous because it amounts to moral turpitude. And just like a government servant, you are also liable to be dismissed from service. And same thing happened in the case of 3 judicial officers in Bihar. And all of them, most of them are of the rank of a district judge. So, let us know what happened. You may be knowing from Bihar, Nepal is quite nearer. So, these people, the 3 judges, the government has given their names also on Sunday, that is on 21/12/2020. It was published that the Patna High Court dismissed all the 3 judicial officers due to their involvement in immoral acts or acts of moral turpitude. The judges, 3 judges, they have given the names also. Number 1 is Harinivas Gupta. He is working as family court judge. That means he equal to additional judge cadre in Samastipur by that time. This incident took place on 12th February 2014, 12 to 2014. At the time he is family court judge. The second person is Jitendra Nath Singh. He was ADJ Samastipur. And the third great man is Komal Ram. Komal Ram, he was ADJ plus Chief Judicial Magistrate of Araria in Bihar. So all of them wanted to have a hay time or a happy time. They went to Nepal, a place called Virat Nagar. They took a hotel and they were caught by Nepal police while in compromising position with women. This has been published in Nepalese newspapers. Of course, they came out. Somehow they came out and it was published in Nepali newspapers. Then it has come to the notice of the Patna High Court. The Patna High Court conducted a departmental inquiry. The inquiry proved that they involved in acts of such silly things. So they recommended for their, of course, suspension. So right from 2014, this case has been dragging on for 6 long years. Ultimately, basing on the final report, they were dismissed from service, and incidentally, they will not get any pension, they will not get any benefits right from 2014. Of course, the salary may also be recovered from them, but it is not very clearly given. So they were dismissed from service. In an interregnum, that is meanwhile in the year 2017 or so, they appealed to the Supreme Court, but Supreme Court also did not give any stay order against the department inquiry. The departmental inquiry continued. Now it proved that they are involved in such acts due to which now they were dismissed from service. So please, advocates and judicial officers, whoever see this video, please take it as a lesson. We have seen judicial officers already, there are certain comments also. Are the judicial officers Can't they spend hey time in Nepal? They are not. See, if they did anything wrong in Bihar or in their places, yes, definitely they are liable. But what is the so-called sin if they go out, if they wanted to enjoy? But please remember, you are a judicial officer. You are representative of justice. Is it not? So justice. So everybody expects you to maintain the highest standards of life. So no doubt you can have your own enjoyment, but not in this way. So getting caught and getting an inquiry done and unceremoniously being removed from the office where you are working. So these are all very bad things. So I request all the officers and people who see this video not to resort to such bad habits. Even though you have bad habits, as long as you are judge, you have to control them. Because I have seen a magistrate cadre, very intelligent man, but he has got the bad habit of so-called consuming liquor. It so happened that he came to me on one day and demanded for the money to get liquor. I told him, sir, this is because he was a magistrate. This is not the way. I took him almost half an hour time to teach him as to how he will be treated before the eyes of his so-called clerk or juniors. Then only he realized, of course, for some time he changed his attitude. But of course, when he went to another station, he started the same. The result is he was, I think, removed from AP service, AP government only. Right, such things do happen. So, this is with a heavy heart I am telling you, please don't resort to such illegal or immoral activities which degrades, which downgrades the morale of the judiciary in the eyes of the public. Everybody is commenting. Now they have tasted their fruit. Normally the judges, they will say, so if you do something wrong, you have to get punished. Likewise, the punishment has come to them. Anyway, it's a bad incident, should not happen, should not recover. So please, all of you, I request with folded hands, I request all of you, don't resort to such things and get caught and go to the extent of getting dismissed. Thank you.